Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is Samsung brand 8 kg optimal dryer heat pump system. This dryer having problem actually, according to the customer, it's while running time it's making abnormal noise. Because of that we collected to the workshop. Now I'm going to repair this machine. Also I will show you how to repair this one, how to resolve this abnormal noise, and we will go to the next step. Now I given already power connection. You can see here this one Samsung brand Samsung. I already informed to you this is optimal dry heat pump system. This machine you can see here. The model wise this one DV80M5010QX. This one you can see here 750 850 watts, 8 kg, 50 hertz, 50 60 not actually 50 hertz. Now I will show you the problem with this machine. Now I will select any option here and I select here synthetic, also 1 hour and 15 minutes. I will start the machine. You can hear the noise. It is blower. There is 2 blowers are here. Something actually you can hear the noise. You can hear the noise there. It is something rubbing noise coming actually. We have to check properly. And first we will remove the back of the machine blower. We will check if it is not from the back behind blower blade. We have to remove this side full body. After that only we can identify. Now we will remove the back of the machine and we will check. Before start the work you have to disconnect the power. Now I already disconnect the power. Now I have to remove this back cover. After that we can identify it is this blower touching or rubbing with the body. Anyway, we will remove this cover here. Now we can take it out. You can see dear friends, this blower is not touching actually with the body here. If it is touching, we can identify here. No any marks here. Anyway, now I will give power connection again and I will check. Now I already given power again and I will start the machine. Still having actually still you can hear the noise. It's touching somewhere. Here we can identify here this blower. And now what I'm going to do, I will remove this blower. After that we can identify. We will shut down. We will off the machine again. This is 14 number socket I am using. Yes dear, I already removed blower. Now again I will start the machine. Now again I have given power connection. Again I will start. Yes dear, still having after removing also. After blower removing also, it's making the same noise. That's been no problem with the blower. You can hear the noise. Now what we can do, we have to remove the top cover and side cover. After that only we can identify. We will remove first top cover. Again we have to disconnect the power. I will remove here top cover. It's having so many links also, but anyway I will give power connection again and we will check. You can hear the noise, my dear. This one coming from the motor. Now we have to remove the side covers. This is actually very bad noise from the machine. It is totally abnormal. Now I have to remove the side cover. First we will remove the side cover. After that we can identify. We have to remove the front panel and all. After that only we can remove this side. Shut down machine. Again I have to disconnect the power. Now we will remove here water drawer first. After that we have to remove the front panel. Now we can take it out. It's like that. We can take it out. Here you can see here so many links are here. We will clean this one. I will disconnect the harness here because I need to clean properly. Because of that I will disconnect harness here. It's not changing because otherwise you have to take the photo. Now I will disconnect here also. This one also not changing. This both we can fix, but here not changing because of that. Now anyway I remove disconnected power control box. Now you can see here we have to remove front cover. After that only we can remove the side cover. Because of that now we have to remove this. All the screws are here. After that only it will come out. Here you can see this part also we have to remove. Because of that all the screws we have to remove. Now it will come like that. Now you can see, dear friends, here also fan. That one here while running it's not actually, it's not touching. You can see here it's not making abnormal noise. Now here we have to clean properly because the links are here. Now I will remove the side cover screws. Now it will come like that. You can see, dear friends, so many links are there. Now you can see here the compressor mounting. Okay, it's not actually abnormal noise from the compressor. You can hear the noise. It's sound coming from the motor. I will disconnect here. I will remove the V belt. Still having. Yes dear, it's coming from the motor only. Anyway dear, we have to remove the motor. After that we can identify. We will remove the motor. Now dear friends, I'm going to remove the motor here. It's little bit difficult, because of that I have to take it out the drum. Now I will remove the back. I can take easy to take from the back side. That means this side I have to take it out. Now I will remove other side also cover. After that I can take it out drum. After that only it's easy for me. I will unscrew all the screws are here also, because I have to take the drum out. Now it will come like that. From the V belt we can take it out. Now dear friends, you can see this motor actually making abnormal noise. We can take it out. Now we can disconnect this one also, harness. While pressing it will come. It's like that. Now motor is free. Still having noise. Now we have to remove here 2 screws. After that we can remove. Here we have to remove this mount. So many screws actually we have to disconnect, unscrew. But anyway we have to do this job. Drum wheel all okay, no any problem. Now I will disconnect. I will unscrew all the screws are here. Now it's okay. I can take the harness from here. Now we can take it out the cover. You can see dear friends. Now you can see here it is. We have to clean properly condenser and evaporator, because it is links are there everywhere. Now we can take out the motor also. Before taking we have to remove these 2 screws are here. We have to unscrew. Now it's okay. Now we can take the motor here. Now I will remove this pulley belt also. Now dear friends, it is picture is clear. It is 100%. It's abnormal noise coming from the bearing. It is one bearing or both bearing we have to replace. Anyway, we will remove the motor. After that we can understand. I will show you which bearing it's making loud noise, abnormal noise, and we will remove the motor. After that we can